Hi, this is Paul with webjunk.com, and today we're talking about the Calendar Plus plugin for WordPress. This is an overview. We'll go into the more details of what you can do with it in a later video. But to show you how to install it and getting it running, it's a real simple process. First, we're going to go to Plugins. We're going to go to Add New. We're then going to find the plugin by adding it as a search term. So we'll put in Calendar Plus. Okay, make sure you spell calendar correctly, Calendar. And then you see Calendar Plus. The current version we're working on is 1.2.4. Here's my name, Paul Newman, and you also see Karen O'Shea, who had done most of the work. We'll go to Install Now, and it says, Are you sure? Click OK. Next, we'll go to Activate Plugin. If you don't activate it, it doesn't do anything. It only installed the files. So we'll go to Activate. And now you should see Calendar Plus in here. And it's instead of Activate, you have Deactivate, which means it's running. You'll also see down the bottom here another tab on the admin menu. You have Calendar Options. And you have a bunch of choices, and we'll cover this in another video. And you do see the CSS, which is the layout for the calendar displays. Then you get into Manage Categories. Now this is a very important area. By default, you see ID 1. Then you may want another category. So we're going to put in Training. And if I spell it right, that might matter. And then you put in the color for that category. And it needs to be in hex, which includes a £sign. And then we're going to go with F11224. And I'm just picking that at random, so we'll see what that looks like. You click Save, and then you see Category 2, Training, and here's the color. Ooh, a nice looking red. Okay, and this is what separates them. Now we'll go to Manage Calendar. My connection is slow. We'll go to Event Title. So we're going to say Sales Meeting. And if you want a description, talk about sales. Excuse the delay. And here's the event category. And you could select training or general. We're going to do general. We don't need a link. And we're going to make this tomorrow's date. So we're just going to change this to 26. The event is 26. And the time, and we're going to make that 10 a.m. Okay. And it's not recurring. And we'll click on Save. And now you see the event listed. Now we'll add another one, which we're going to call New Video. We'll just call Plugin for description. And then for the event category, we're going to change that to Training. And we're going to make this one on the 27th. And for the time, we'll say 1400. And then we'll click Save. And now you see both of them. And you'll notice under the category, you even see the color coding. Now we're going to go to a post, or maybe a page. Oops. And we're going to add new. And we're going to call this schedule. Doesn't matter what you call it. And now what we need to do is put in the link for the calendar. Now, the link uses the squirrely brackets. Okay, it's very important. If you put in other types of brackets, it won't work. Okay. Also, you'll notice calendar is in all uppercase. That's the preferred way for the handler. And the number is the ID. Now, what we can do is we can add multiple numbers, or we could just put in one. So if we put in, let's say 2, and then click Publish, and then go to View Page, there's our calendar. And you see the event, which is in uh, the training category. If you wanted to make this so it displays only the first category, you would say change the short code to calendar 1. We'll get into how you make multiples and deal with multiple calendars in another category. But that's all there is to getting the calendar working. Thank you for watching.